Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good afternoon. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Dewi Novianti Putri from grade 11 Multimedia majoring as the host of today's webinar. I would like to thank Lesti Siti Wirahayu as the instructor who was pleased to be present on this occasion and on the participants who have taken their time for video conference with the game how to cultivate catfish. Before entering the main event, let me first introduce my colleagues, namely Sister Pemidia as presenter and Sister Salwa as moderator. To the audience, listen careful to the material to be deafened. It is good to just attend the time directly, namely the presentation of the material by Sister Feli, who was good directly by Sister Salwa as the moderator. Sister Salwa, are welcome.
Hi, friends. How are you? It was extraordinary how enthusiastic the participants were present and this opportunity in the webinar How to Cultivate Catfish. On the webinar How to Cultivate Catfish, there will be a lot of knowledge that we will get at today's meeting. I will be discussed by our very extraordinary presenter. She is a student of Vocational High School, One Cibadak, majoring fishery. For that, let's welcome Pemi.
Okay, thanks to the moderator and host who gave me the time to present the material. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Pemilia Aplianti. I was born on April 5, 2004. I am a student at high school, One Cibadak, class 11, majoring in fisheries. Okay, here I will explain how to cultivate catfish.
Batch of presenters are present in part of all of us and later in the first program. The presenter will explain the discussion, then there will be a discussion with the moderator and host. Finally, there will be a question and answer session with the participant. For the reason, Pemi, welcome.
Okay. How to cultivate catfish? Definition of catfish farming. Catfish farming is an activity where people keep catfish, including colonizing, developing eggs for sale. Catfish is relatively easy to cultivate in warm, climate weather, so it can safely keep for to local markets. Catfish can be cultivated in ponds, tanks, and small rivers. Prevention of catfish cultivation. 1. Prevention fund. 2. Selection of superior set for catfish. 3. Breeding. 4. Maintenance. 5. Harvesting. 1. Prevention fund. The fall as is a common pond. Clean the pond using a broom sponge to scrub the dirt in the pond. After cleaning, fill the with about 2 deciliters of water. This is photo of a common pond. Selection of super set for catfish. How to cultivate catfish for beginners must also know very well the types of quality sets, which can produce superior catfish. The best set characteristic like this. Male catfish set have a slender stomach with flat head bones warming tends to be darker. These more females are ugly, and the shape of their genitals is pointed. Female catfish said have the characteristic of a stomach that is larger than their back, a convict head size, slow movement, and a round genital. The ideal size for this superior said catfish is around 5 feet 11 centimeter, and there are no body depths at all. Then the superior catfish scent will be very aggressive or aggressive when given food because they are predominantly egg. This is an example for a photo of superior catfish set. 2. Breeding. In the process of cultivating catfish, breeders must be careful and pay close attention to knowing that there are catfish that are ready to be mated. This is photo of a fish breeding. Maintenance. Manager water. Cat can only be replaced when entering the harvest period. If it is replaced is found water before harvest, there is the potential to inhibit its growth. 3. To change the fall water in the morning or evening, which is not too hot, which catfish and negative impacts on the health of catfish. Fish feed. Just feed or catfish food that is high in nutrients such as plankton, pelleter worm, foods that contain protein. Give regular means 3 times a day, 7, 5, and 10. Do not feed it what it because it can change the quality of food contaminated with acid. This is photo of catfish being fed. Harvesting. Catfish that are well maintained can actually be quality catfish. Generally, after 2-3 months, the catfish can be harvested. When harvested, 1 kilogram of catfish can amount to around 7 egg weight and size of between 7 9 1 10 2. How to harvest catfish is to freeze reduce the pond water, then it can be transferred to an container using a scoop or net. This is photo is harvesting. Okay, Okay, well, the material that I conveyed has been complete. Then I will transfer it again to moderator. Okay, thank you.
Thanks to Femi for discussing the material, which is very useful. For attention, I have sent in the chat column. Okay, for the next one is the discussion with the moderator and host. Femi, is this for all type of catfish or just a few type of catfish?
Oke, saya menjawabnya dengan bahasa Indonesia. Tidak semua jenis ikan lele bisa dibudidayakan. Seperti ikan lele sangkuriang dan ikan lele mutiara. Oke, itu jawaban saya. Terima kasih.
Hah? Iya, sok.
For the participant, please fill in the attendance link that I have sent in the chat column. Thank you.
Mau nanya nggak?
Oh, aku yang ngomong. Yang question. Well, the time for this is over. Now is the question and answer session with the participant. For the participant who want to ask question, they can ask in the chat column. Question can be in English or Indonesia.
Baik, untuk penyedia surat izin penyimpanan dalam bahasa Indonesia, bagaimana cara mengatasi ikan lele yang meninggal itu gara-gara apa?
Oke. Ikan lele itu bisa gara-gara hama penyakit. Hama penyakitnya dari kayak lendir terlalu berlebihan, sama kayak kurang oksigen dan suhu airnya kayak lebih tinggi gitu. Nggak standar sama yang dibutuhin ikan lele itu. Oke, terima kasih.
Aku nanya ya.
Untuk harga, kalau ikan lele itu dijualnya harga berapa ya?
Kayaknya beda-beda dari ukurannya juga, ada yang kecil, ada yang besar, dan ada juga yang jumbo gitu. Jadi harganya itu bisa dari sampai per kilonya misalnya 100.000 sampai 500.000 yang jumbo. Ya, terima kasih.
Aku nanya ya. Kepada saudari Femi, apakah ada kesulitan saat memelihara ikan lele?
Tentu ada, tapi budidaya ikan lele itu kayak kalau di sekolah kan per kelompok. Jadi per kelompok itu udah ada tugas-tugasnya masing-masing gitu. Aku bagian ini, teman-teman aku bagian itu. Jadi kalau susah juga bareng-bareng gitu. Ya, terima kasih.
Kalau kendalanya itu contohnya seperti apa ya?
Kendalanya itu kalau dari budidaya pertama-tama pengen punya benih ikan lele itu, jadi 24 jam itu ikan lelenya nggak bertelur, kadang induk ikan lelenya mati atau nggak bertelur. Itu sih kendalanya.
Kan di situ dijelaskan ada beberapa penyakit pada lele. Hal apa sih yang bisa mencegah gitu untuk menjaga agar lele tidak terjangkit penyakit?
Kayak kalau misalnya cara ngatasi buat ikan lele itu sehat dan stabil gitu. Kadang dari itu suhu air sama dari pakannya sih. Kalau Femi mah. Ya, terima kasih.
Untuk Femi, apakah ada ikan lele yang sudah berkembang biak?
Kadang-kadang dari persilangan kawin ikan itu kadang ada yang harusnya bertelur tapi persilangannya salah, dia nggak berkembang biak gitu, nggak bagus gitu. Jadi gimana itu sih, gimana persilangan kawinnya gitu.
Udah aja. Udah, kayaknya tutup aja. Udah, tutup aja. Oh ya, aku tutup ya.
Kalau ini memang tidak ada yang ngobrol, tidak ada yang berbicara. Halo?
Halo. Iya, Bu.
Ya, ini sudah mempersilahkan saya bicara atau belum?
Sudah.
Oh, sudah. Suaranya putus-putus, saya lagi di luar ini. Okay, thanks for the presentation ya. Your team, I think, good enough for this presentation. Ibu udah dengar dari Bu Tia sebelumnya kalau memang kelompok ini alhamdulillah gitu sudah dilirik, bahkan dimulai dari presentasi yang pertama, alhamdulillah. Suara Ibu jelas?
Jelas, Ibu.
Oke. Tadi juga tidak terlalu banyak momen silent-nya ya, jadi maksudnya bisa improve. Dan yang Ibu suka juga for this group itu sangat fast respon gitu, jadi ini ya nggak banyak miss gitu di antara instruktur dengan para anggota grupnya kayak gitu, nggak bikin Ibu bingung di tengah banyaknya grup yang dibimbing gitu kan. Terima kasih untuk ini semuanya masih pada di lab fisika?
Masih, Bu.
Nah, buat yang besok kalian presentasinya di mana?
Di sini.
Oh, sama di lab fisika?
Iya.
Iya, Bu.
Oh iya, ini Ibu mumpung ingat, ini direkam kan presentasi kalian?
Direkam, Ibu.
Oke, pakai Fastun atau apa?
Pakai Pastun.
Oke, ya udah. Dari Ibu cukup sekian. Untuk bahasa Inggris, nggak usah takut grammar, feelingnya gimana, speakingnya gimana, pede aja. Yang penting maksud dan tujuannya tersampaikan ke partisipan. Udah, gitu aja dari Ibu. Terima kasih.
Ya, Bu. Terima kasih.
Di mute.
Itu siapa?
Well, thanks to Sister Sawa as the moderator and to Sister Penny who has presented the material. I remind the audience once again, please immediately fill in the present links that is already in the chat column. Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of the event. Thank you to the audience who have listened to the material from begin to end. Hopefully, a lot of knowledge gained from this event. I represent my colleague to apologize for wrong words and deeds. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ayo.
Itu siapa? Aku kaget, tapi dia tiba-tiba mau ngomong.